This bourbon won a double gold medal at the spirits competition. A double gold medal!
I'm a complete beginner looking to improve my palate and learn more about bourbon, so come along with me.
All right, when you're perusing the aisles of your local liquor store, you're going to come across somebody who's going to be a little stand, and they'll have a bunch of bottles of some bourbon, and they'll be touting it. This won the gold medal at the San Francisco Spirits Competition or some other competition. And oh gosh, and you'll think, whoa, that's the gold medal winner. There's only one gold medal winner, so it must be really, really, really good. Well, just yes, they have these spirit competitions, and I'm sure they do a lot of tastings, and they do a lot of marketing and a lot of glad handing. But if you look online, you'll see that there probably were about 50 double gold medal winners at this competition, and then a bunch of silver winners and a bunch of bronze winners, and they really, their website really talks about these little bottle tags and marketing materials and more marketing stuff and marketing, and get your brand in and do some more marketing. And something tells me that these things, it's not like the Olympics where you have a gold, silver, and a bronze, and that's it. And then then you just play the national anthems and you go home. This sounds like more of a industry get together and kind of a big marketing tool. But anyway, this Blue Note CrossRoads is about $40, and I thought, well, go ahead and take a try on it, because I have seen a lot of people doing reviews on the Blue Note Juke Joint. This is actually, I think it almost looks like probably the same stuff. It's a straight bourbon, and it's been finished in toasted oak barrels, and it's 100 proof. So, what's not to like? So let's give it a try. Go ahead and open it up. All right, it's got a regular cork here, so that's a good thing. Let's go ahead and pour it. Give it a pour. Give ourselves a pour. And I'm sorry I haven't been making any videos in a while. I've been kind of sick. Been having kind of a just some sort of sinus thing that's just been going on and on for several weeks, and been out of town a lot. So just trying to get back into enjoying some good bourbon and reviewing a lot of new stuff that I haven't tried before. So we'll go ahead and give this a try. Now, my friend of mine, David from My Whiskey Den, did a review, like I said, of the Blue Note Juke Joint. And I think it's a little more less expensive. It's probably about around $30 bottle. I think it's 94 proof. And this stuff is all made in Tennessee. And it's unfiltered, and this is the 100 proof, and it was $40. So I'm going to give it a try, and it's a double gold winner. Yes, double gold. So there you go. I'm gonna keep this forever. All right, let's give it a try and see what I think of it. Smell some vanilla, maybe a little toffee. But I will say, and I haven't been drinking a lot of bourbon lately because of this stuff that I've been having. But I will say it does smell pretty good. Excuse me. And this, if you get this cough thing, it just goes on and on for weeks. So I apologize for that. So let's give it a try. It's pretty. Excuse me. It's pretty good. Has a good mouthfeel. Kind of slick. It's kind of thick, but or it's just tastes really pretty good. Kind of a toffee, vanilla, and some oak. And I guess this is toasted, toasted French oak. So finish. So maybe that's what I'm tasting too. But really smooth for 100 proof. You really don't. It really doesn't seem like it's like 100 proof. It doesn't have any real bite. So yeah, kind of an oak finish. Let's try it. Let's try it over a piece of ice and just see how we like that. Ooh. That would be nice to sit out on the patio with a good cigar and spend the evening with. But yeah, that does kind of bring out that caramel toffee taste. And I don't think you get as much of the oak. But that's really not bad at all. $40. It's a little expensive, on the expensive side maybe, but there's a whole lot of more expensive stuff out there, and it's actually really good. And this is from the BR Distilling Company, and of course, like I said, this is all made in Tennessee. But they don't call it Tennessee whiskey. It is classified as bourbon. So there you have it. But if you would like to develop your palate, pick a bourbon that you'd like to try. Doesn't have to be the one that I pick, but hey, this is not bad. And then just taste it, drink it over the course of a week or so. Come back and do another tasting to see if your palate's changed, if you're noticing anything different. I'm really looking forward to drinking this for a while because it's really good, and I think it will kind of open up and get some other flavors. I will say that I was drinking the 1792 before I got sick, and this stuff is really good. And the flavor I was getting out of it is bananas, and still just kind of a banana runt flavor. And so I've been drinking that, and but I haven't been drinking it as much as I'd like to because of just kind of getting back into it. I haven't been drinking a lot of bourbon in the last few weeks because of this cough and this stuff that's been hanging on. But I'm getting back into it and feeling a whole lot better now. So that's the Blue Note CrossRoads. And it's 100 proof. It's not a bottle and bond. It doesn't say that, but it does say 100 proof. And of course, like I said, it's got its double gold. It's not real gold. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching. Drink the bourbon that you like. Drink responsibly. And in the meantime, enjoy.